Have you ever questioned the sheer power demonstrated in a Terminator fight scene? If so, you're not alone. The raw strength and agility of the Terminator is nothing short of breathtaking. This machine designed for destruction showcases an unparalleled physical prowess that leaves audiences awestruck. Imagine a single entity capable of taking on multiple opponents simultaneously, dispatching them with ease and precision. Picture the Terminator standing tall amidst a hail of gunfire, bullets ricocheting off its metallic frame as if they were mere pebbles. It's a testament to its design, a perfect blend of raw strength and agility, making it a formidable opponent in any scenario. But it's more than just power and agility. The Terminator's physical capabilities are designed to instill fear and create a sense of invincibility. This is the unseen power of the Terminator, a key element that shapes the fight scenes and leaves an indelible mark on viewers. The Terminator's physical capabilities are unmatched, creating a sense of invincibility that's hard to ignore. But it's not all brute force, is it? There's a strategy hidden within the chaos. The Terminator, an iconic symbol of raw power and relentless pursuit, is more than just a metallic juggernaut. It's a strategic mastermind, a chess player in a world of checkers. Its approach to combat goes beyond mere strength. It's about understanding the terrain, predicting opposition moves, and eliminating threats systematically. The Terminator uses the environment to its advantage. It's not just about the punch, the kick, or the gunfire. It's about using the shadows for stealth, using debris as a shield, or turning the landscape into a weapon. It's about turning chaos into a tactical playground. Anticipating the opponent's moves is another crucial aspect of the Terminator's strategy. It's like a grandmaster in chess, always thinking a few moves ahead. It predicts, it adapts, and it overcomes. Whether it's a one-on-one face-off or a showdown against multiple threats, the Terminator is always a step ahead. Systematically eliminating threats is the final piece of the puzzle. The Terminator doesn't just fight, it eradicates. It identifies the most significant threats and takes them out first, reducing the overall danger and increasing its chances of success. It's a calculated dance of destruction, a methodical approach to chaos. The Terminator's strategic mind, hidden beneath a metallic exterior, is a crucial part of its fight scenes, making them more than just a display of raw power. Despite being a machine, the Terminator elicits a range of emotions during its fight scenes. How is that possible? It's a fascinating conundrum, isn't it? Here we have a cybernetic organism, devoid of any human traits, yet we find ourselves caught up in its struggle, rooting for its success. The emotional impact of the Terminator's fight scenes is a testament to the power of storytelling. We empathize with the Terminator, not because it's human, but because it's an underdog in a world that doesn't understand it. We cheer when it overcomes the odds and feel a tinge of sadness when it fails. The Terminator's journey resonates with us because it mirrors our own struggles. We've all felt like outsiders at some point, trying to find our place in a world that seems too big, too complex. And that's where the magic lies. In the end, the Terminator, a machine, somehow manages to stir emotions within us, adding yet another layer to its complex fight scenes. What makes a Terminator fight scene the ultimate showdown? This question has many layers, just like the Terminator's titanium alloy endoskeleton. Let's peel them back and take a closer look. We've talked about the Terminator's unseen power, that raw, unyielding force that makes it such a formidable opponent. It's not just the physical strength, but also the relentless pursuit that sets the Terminator apart from others. Imagine being chased by a being that doesn't tire, doesn't stop, and doesn't feel pain. That's the power of the Terminator. Then we have the chaos, the unpredictable, heart-stopping, adrenaline-pumping chaos. But amidst that chaos, there's strategy. The Terminator is not a mindless killing machine. It's an intelligent entity, calculating every move, every step, every punch. It's a chess game with the Terminator always thinking several steps ahead. And let's not forget the emotional paradox. The Terminator, devoid of feelings, creates an emotional impact that's hard to shake off. It's a paradox that adds depth to the fight scenes, making them more than just a clash of metal and flesh. So what makes a Terminator fight scene the ultimate showdown? It's the perfect storm of power, strategy, and emotion. It's the thrill of the chase, the tension of the strategy, the impact of the emotion. It's the push and pull, the ebb and flow, the dance of death and survival. In the end, a Terminator fight scene is a high-octane blend of power, strategy, and emotion, making it truly the ultimate showdown.